So guys, your boy has finally made it up in the air and we are going to see Picard, man. I think I'm a bit too bright, so let me try and dim this a bit for you guys. Is this better? Yep, it's much better. So this is the annex. This is where Ross used to be before. They gave that up. They leased that place actually. But before, as I continue there. Hey, what's up? Nice. Guys, there's a bit of a situation somewhere down there. Let me head to it. Yes, this is it right there. So in that area, there's been a lot of ups and downs because persons are not liking the idea that there's a cement factory going up in this area. And the reason why, because it's very close to the river, so persons aren't really happy about that at all. Against a weak signal. Let me go up. Okay. Yeah, so I'm back in action. I think I went below the trees, so that's why I got weak signal. But yeah, so this is the area that they're building a cement factory, and a lot of people are not happy about that because it's close to the river. As you can see, the river is right there, and also coming up all the way up there. But yeah, so I'll take out the picture and send it for the guys. But this is Picard area, man. What used to be a vibrant place hardly has people in there. But I'm just showing you guys what's going on. Oh, let me go by the other part. Let me go back by the other part. There for you guys. Let me shrink down a little. Now they were drenching the river area right there. Like I said, the river is around that area. They were actually drenching the river, and as you can see, that's what they're doing. That's a bit of the update right there. See, this is the grade that they're working, taking out the dirt and stuff. I wonder what they're doing with the dirt. I don't really know what they're doing with the dirt, but yeah, so they're drenching the river. I think they're putting stones as well in this area, so hopefully that works out. They're also doing something there as well. As you can see, this is on the other side of the road. They're probably clearing there for something, I don't know. Yeah, because when I was passing, they had this big gulf here, and I was saying maybe they did this for the river to stop, but maybe they're putting something there. Anyways guys, let's head on. Continuing, baby. A lot of greenery in the trees, and let us go by Ross's area, shall we? The sun is very bright. Can you decrease this for me, please? Very bright today. Ain't matter about that. And this is Ross University. Ross. Ross is a ghost town right now. There's like literally nobody inside of the Ross area. This is the new student center area that they built for how much millions of dollars, and there's literally nobody inside there. Literally nobody inside there. So this is Ross for you guys. Yeah, anyways, this is the area where the students used to play a lot. of games, volleyball and stuff, and football. There's nobody there again. Literally nobody there anymore. And of course, continuing up, this is the area where they used to play football. Yeah, this is around the housing area, I think that's what they call it. Yep, that's a nice pool. And I have to check one of the girls at Ross. That's a pool that we used to go and have fun in. Well, a group of us. Before we start getting carried away. A group of us, we used to play sports inside there and all kind of stuff. So that was fun. Definitely. Good times, great times. You don't know how it roll already.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Reaching maximum flight altitude. Fortunately, the people update my stuff, and when they updated it, it kind of put in all the things that my drone didn't have. So I have to go back again and link it so that they can take that out from my drone again. But I don't have time to do that right now. But yeah, so that is Picard for you. Let me drop down low. Wind is very high, by the way, guys, but my drone is doing pretty well, so I can't be mad about that. It's doing wonderful. The new propellers have been doing an exceptionally well job. There's another pool. An exceptionally great job, man. I don't think I've ever gone up there. Have I? Oh, this is, yeah, I know where this is. Let me see if I can go up there and then come back down. There's a lot of wind, guys. There's a lot of wind. This thing keeps reporting that there's a lot of wind. Yeah. Houses used to go, well, houses going all the way up here. All the way up here. And all the way up here, students used to stay. There's an airplane in the region. I just got the notice on my screen. So hopefully it doesn't crash into the drone. Well, if it crashes into the drone, then it's the plane's fault. It shouldn't be flying that low. But yeah, so these are students used to stay all the way over here. Go down this way. So nice little tongue, man. A city that day, not a tongue, a city. A CTTT. And this is coming to like Jamestown area, which is like over there. Are you guys seeing it? You should know Jamestown, man. You should know Jamestown. Anyways, let me come through. Passing over. This is the main road. See, there's the main road. Vehicles are driving. Yeah, I figured let me just try and do it that way to see, you know, what it will be like. Give a little commentary, as well as trying to do these videos for you guys. Let me know if you like it, guys. If you don't like the way I'm doing it, or if you rather the music instead. I like the music. I just figure let me just do. Look, another plane. Look, another plane. Two planes are in the sky, man. What is that? Two planes in the sky, guys. But yeah, I'm actually heading back to where I am. There's very high wind. It's telling me very, very high wind. But the propellers are doing wonderful. Big up to whoever that had linked me up with that kind of vibes. But yeah, slowly but surely coming back. Yep. Good to go. Yes, sir. See, normally my drone will go faster than the vehicle, but because of the wind, it's like really keeping it back. But we're making it, man. We're making it. There's a 4 man. What is that? 4 pam pam pam. I don't want to go too low. I remember when I go low in Portsmouth and I coming back, I just hit a wire. Let me let me go up here. Let me go up. You don't see the wire pass on top of me, guys? What? It's a good thing I see that. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the little vibrations here. This, of course, is Picard City. Unfortunately, this is it for us, man. We're still the city. We're still the city. We do fear. We don't fear at all. Anyways, guys, bless up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. And let me know which area you'd like me for me to do. Let me know that in the comment box below, guys. Anyways, bless up. We're still...